all-new Audi A4, defined by sharp, striking lines, speaks the new Audi design language inside out. The segment will now witness its boldest model yet. On the outside, new low and wide sculpted 3D grille, LED headlights with distinctive daytime running lights, LED rear lights with dynamic turn indicators command attention wherever you go. The all-new Audi A4 engineered for the future. Design and technology lead the way. The sporty and efficient new Audi A4 now comes with a new driver-focused center console, integrated with Audi's most advanced MMI system linked with the Audi Virtual Cockpit. With dynamic driving modes from Audi Drive Select and the Audi A4 7-speed S-tronic transmission paired to the new generation TFSI engine. All this for a drive that's exhilarating yet efficient, for a driving experience like never before. The Audi smartphone interface now connects to your Android and iOS smartphone for seamless control of all your multimedia requirements through the next generation Audi MMI and the multifunctional steering wheel. Benchmarking safety, the all-new Audi A4 features 8 airbags, ABS with EBD and traction control. The all-new Audi A4 keeps you comfortable with enhanced cabin space and first-in-class 3-zone air conditioning. Newly engineered Aero Acoustics set a new benchmark in cabin noise insulation. To liven up your journey, the new Audi A4 comes with a 10-speaker sound system. Progress is changing the meaning of luxury again.
The Audi A4 boldly leads the way for the future of Audi in India. The all-new Audi A4 is a testament to our brand promise, Vorsprung durch Technik. With the all-new Audi A4, we mark a new chapter in Audi's story in India. A part of our futuristic lineup, the all-new Audi A4 joins the likes of the TT, the Q7 and the R8, which were recently added to the Audi range in India. Our commitment to sustainability is underpinned with the all-new Audi A4. Whilst demonstrating class-leading driving dynamics and technology, more efficient powertrains with an all-new engine offering in India provide industry-leading fuel efficiency. This combination will surely excite the enthusiast in you. We are certain that the new Audi A4 will capture the hearts and minds of our customers and continue Audi's success story in India. Progress is in our DNA and it is, in fact, intense.